I'm Daniel Seberg at HPE Discover in Las Vegas, and we're here in the Aruba Pavilion, joined right now by Dave Chen, who does product marketing for Aruba. That's a Hewlett-Packard enterprise company. And Dave, this week we heard about an announcement, a big announcement tied to software-defined branch. Help us understand what that is exactly.
Well, we just introduced new SD-WAN technology alongside our existing cloud-managed Wi-Fi, wired, as well as security capabilities.
So, and when you talk about different branches, I'm in my head imagining dozens or hundreds. What is the challenge here, or the problem that needs to be solved?
When you start thinking about different types of distributed enterprises, I'm thinking retail, healthcare, hospitality. These are organizations with a large number of branch locations. And the challenge for IT is they're typically centralized and don't have easy ways to send out configurations or make changes as quickly as they could for all these locations.
Yeah, I'm imagining people would have to go to all of these locations to do this. So run us through, you've got a device here and a smartphone with an app. How does this help solve that idea of going to all these places?
We provide enterprise-grade capabilities within our solutions. However, we also want to make it easier for IT or even non-technical people to actually perform the legwork for us. So for example, I can actually barcode scan this device and it would immediately get onboarded to the network. All the configurations that you do centrally is just downloaded to this device.
So I'm also imagining all of this data coming in through the branches. What about any data that exits the branches to another domain?
This is really where our SD-WAN technology really comes in. So we started off in networking with the ability to help manage a lot of data and analytics and just sheer information that is happening inside each of these branch locations. Now we integrate the SD-WAN side so that we can now provide an end-to-end experience to help improve the quality of service as well as security for applications that are traveling from where the user connects to where the data gets offloaded to the branch.
And speaking of users, we hear a lot about Internet of Things, IoT. How much is this adding to the complexity of everything you're talking about?
When you start thinking about what devices are really accessing cloud services, we're talking about the IoTs of, I'm thinking cameras for surveillance, I'm thinking printers and temperature sensors and all these devices that could even be mobile devices that yourself as an employee would use in the branch. So these are the things that are now accessing the cloud-based services that are now outside of your traditional corporate perimeter. So if you start thinking about it, that's a huge security risk. So for us, being able to provide our customers with an easy way to centrally manage all the policies and rules, you can easily make moves, adds, and changes across all your locations dynamically.
Dave, great, thank you so much, I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right, that's the story here in the Aruba Pavilion at HPE Discover in Las Vegas. I'm Daniel Seberg, thanks for watching.